Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the slide size on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. After open the PowerPoint, just open up any document or slide. Just click on create. After that, click on design tab, and at the corner you can see a option which is slide size. Then just click here, then click on custom slide size, and that's it. After that, you can see this interface. Now here you can see orientation option, and you can find slide here. You can see two options, portrait and landscape. From here you can choose any option as you want. Also, if you click on slide size, just click on this arrow icon. Now here you can see so many options on screen: letter paper, A3, A4, B4, B5, overhead, banner size, and you can choose any option as you like. Suppose if I select letter page, here you can see the width, height, and then click on OK. You have to select into your fit, and that's it. You can see the slide size has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change slide size on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.